In this video, we will discuss exactly about how actually the scammers try to scam the job seeker. So let's say you have accepted the offer letter sent by scammer. The scammer says that this is a work from home job and first 2 weeks are for training. Since you are in the training, he says he will provide you with all the infrastructure like a laptop, tables, chairs, desks for you to start working. To buy all these things, he will send you a check and he will mail you that check for let's say about $5,000 or $10,000. But even though all these will cost you $5,000, he will try to send you $10,000 check saying that, oh yeah, so I sent you extra money, so don't worry, try to encash this check and buy all the laptop and tables, chairs, and then whatever is the pending amount left, you try to send it back to me. So what the job seeker does, he will immediately go to the bank and tries to deposit that check. In Canada and US, as you all know, there is an ability to immediately encash the check depending on the limits that you have. Some people have $1,000 limit, some people have a $5,000 limit, some people have $10,000 limit. So as soon as you deposit the check, you will see the amount directly in the available balance of your bank account. So you will try to withdraw that amount, and immediately the very next day he says, please send the remaining amount to the following address or buy some gift card, bitcoins, electronic devices. So they ask you to send the remaining amount in these following forms. If you try to send that amount back, within 3 to 4 days, the check gets bounced. So you have literally spent the entire amount, but the check bounced in 4 days. So you lost that whole amount of $5,000 or $10,000. On top of that, you have lost the amount that you have sent back to the scammer. So it is a double loss for you. And not only that, the banks will identify you as a blacklisted customer and you will never have any relationship with that bank anymore. So these are common check frauds which scammers does targeting job seekers, claiming that they are giving you work from home jobs and they will send you money to buy laptops, tables, chairs, and immediately they send you a check and then you try to encash. The very next day they ask you to send that amount back to you. So don't fall prey to all these scams. This is exactly the way scams happen. Many of my close friends have got into the scam. They realize the mistakes later. Sometimes in the past, even I was tried to scam the following way, but then I got the signals that it seems to be a scam, and then I did not, go deep into the scam. There are many such stories. If you see social media forums, you will find a lot of people, admitting that these are all the scams that they have gone through. So this is one of the standard scam. So don't fall prey to it.